The grounds of the plaintiffs is that David is not qualified constitutionally to hold any position in ALGON, being the chairman of Bariga Local Development Area in Lagos, which is not listed among the 774 local governments in Nigeria. At the day's proceedings, counsel to the plaintiffs asked the judge to declare as illegal and unlawful the occupation of ALGON presidency office by David, who is the 8th defendant in the suit. The counsel informed the court that Nigeria at the moment has constitutionally recognized 774 local governments, out of which Lagos has 20, and Bariga LCDA is not one of them. He cited Sections 8 of the 1999 Constitution and Article 4 of ALGON Constitution, as well as a Supreme Court judgment on the listed local government areas to buttress his arguments. He further prayed the court to invoke Sections 150 and 170 of the Constitution to compel the AGF and others to ensure compliance by protecting ALGON from what he called impostors. The plaintiff's lawyer further says that the General Assembly convened by David on March 24, 2021, where purported resolutions, election and amendments were made, be declared unlawful, null and void on grounds of illegality. Mr. Okpara also sought another perpetual injunction, restraining David from further parading himself as an officer or representative of ALGON. However, counsel Tolabi David asked the judge to dismiss the case of the plaintiffs for directing it against the national chairman of ALGON. In his preliminary objection, he insists the ALGON Constitution recognizes the office of the president and not chairman as erroneously canvassed in the suit.
The Constitution empowered the states to create. When they create local governments, it has to be recognized by the local governments. I mean the National Assembly. When the National Assembly recognizes it, it becomes law. And the Constitution will be amended to accommodate those ones. As at now, Bariga is not accommodated by the Constitution. Our Constitution, anything that is not in the Constitution is to that effect null and void.
I'm not in a position to now put myself in the place of the judges. We are just hopeful that justice will be served.
Justice Echo subsequently fixed April 30 for judgment. He added that parties will be notified if the judgment is ready before the date. Emanuela Ekele, Channels Television News.